It's been a rainy week here in Georgia, so instead of enjoying the outdoors, we are cozying up in the kitchen and I'm baking up some wholesome and delicious treats for my family of 6. Those look amazing. I don't really mind being stuck at home. A rainy day spent baking with freshly milled flour, sourdough, and creative flavor combinations feels like my kind of nervous system reset. If that sounds like something you need today, join me in my kitchen. Grab a cup of something comforting and let's get started.